Welcome to the sensory garden. When you need a break or your teacher tells you that you need a break, you're going to come here and you're going to do these activities just the way I'm showing you. Here's the lily pads and the logs. You're going to hop on the lily pads with 2 feet. Hop over the logs. When you get to the end here, it's like hopscotch. 2 feet if there's 2. Hop on the foot that's on that side. Here is a little whirlpool. You're going to spin around. Then you're going to jump on the feet and it's going to make you turn your body around. You have to watch what you're doing. Try to match your toes up. Then you're going to spin around again. Spin the other way though. And you're going to tiptoe. Tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe over to the wall. And press your hands on the handprints and do a push-up. And tiptoe, tiptoe, tiptoe back. Then you're going to spin again. And then you're going to jump and spin. Jump and spin. Oops. Jump and spin. And spin around. And then here you're going to walk on the middle like a balance beam, but you're going to cross your foot and tap the tip of the leaf and count by tens. 10.
Fives.
Oh, fives. 5. 5. 10. 15. 20. 25. 30. 35. 40. 45. 50. And then you're going to do the tree pose.
Mm-hmm.
And be very calm. You're going to be calm like this bee on here. And then you're done. Go back to class.